Updating your profile details. Either log in the front end by clicking your profile and going to my account, or log in via the admin by going to profile picture, my account. Next, you need to go across to the profile tab and make sure that you have profile selected in the main page tab. Inside here, you can change your image for yourself, and you can change all of the details for yourself as well. Do remember when you make changes to click the update button. I will just change this to a new profile picture for me. This will display on all courses that I create within the platform. Once I click crop and save, I will have a new profile picture inside here. The requirements for profile pictures is make sure that they are square and they are above 200 pixels by 200 pixels. The rest of the details can be changed inside here. Do be careful when you change the email address, as you will need to enter a new email address or the email address that you have in here when you log into your admin dashboard. When you make any changes within the profile area, do remember to click update for those changes to be applied.